Sup? How's everybody's day going? If you're me, Melvin Capital, Andrew Left, or any other moron gay bear that shorted GameStop, you're probably not doing too well. You're not doing well at all, actually. But if you're from the street, and of course I mean Wall Street bets when I say the street, you're having another good day. GameStop ran another 150%. Why not? 150%, just let it be. All right? This is the new normal. We got to get used to it. I closed out my short position. I'm no longer a gay bear. I like keeping my money. I like having money. So I'm not going to go ahead and short GameStop anymore. Probably not. Who knows? I'm a degenerate, so it could probably happen tomorrow if I see 250, which is about to hit anyway. So another rough day in the market. For some, for others, great. We were still up on the day, but this is what happens when you short solid companies, good fundamentally strong companies. This type of stuff happens. Congrats to you guys. Seriously. Deep Value has about $35 million now on a $150,000 bet. That's insane. But for the rest of you guys out there, congrats. You guys are continuing to make money, continue to change the dynamics of the market. Congrats. Enjoy this video. Hit like and subscribe. Join the Discord below. Wonderful day. Just another day in the market. Dow dropping 22 points, S&P dropping 5 points, and NASDAQ dropping 9 points. Oh, and then GameStop rallying 150%. Just another normal day in the market. What is causing this fire? What is causing GameStop to continue to rally over and over as short sellers are just losing billions and billions of dollars a day? One of those short sellers. But we close out our position. If we go ahead and take a check at the Robinhood account, we're sitting pretty decent. I'm not even going to cap right now. I'm not going to at all. We're not doing as bad as we should. We lost a lot of money. We obviously would be a lot higher had we not done these short positions. But we are still doing pretty well this week. Despite some terrible plays in the market, as you can clearly see, some pretty bad plays at first, we are still up $6,000 for the week. So that's pretty good. I'm not going to complain about that. We close out all of our GameStop. Oh, except for one. This one is probably going to expire worthless. In other words, when I say worthless, my money being worthless because it's absolutely gone. Because I don't think that thing's going to drop to $52 anytime soon. If we look at GameStop right now, I think it's around $200 and something dollars. Oh, $250. Pardon me. $250 now for GameStop. So yeah, that hurt really badly. Seeing my short position like that. We're also shorting Tesla. Why not? I'm gonna lose on that one. So we might as well do it. The 820s, it's well above 820. 835s, it's well above 835. So we're probably going to lose on that unless earnings are bad and it drops hard. We also did another one, 1,000. We're betting that it will not go above 1,000 this week. As long as it doesn't, we keep $110. If it goes above 1,000 this week, we lose another $1,000. Which at this point, I won't even put it past me because I've been having some pretty bad luck in the market recently. Obviously, Amazon's helping me out. Alibaba's helping me out. Facebook. My long positions seem to be doing well. My short positions don't. Maybe I should learn from that, but I don't think it's possible for me to learn. GameStop up 221% today. Nice. But Microsoft earnings are pretty solid as well. And, everything seems to be doing pretty well. But GameStop is just fueled by this giant short squeeze. If we actually look at GME stock, I think on Thursday they're going to release the data of how many shorts are still shorting GameStop. I don't know exactly right now, but based on the last amount that they had, it was a pretty significant amount. 138% of the short floated. We'll have to see on Wednesday when they announce the new batch of numbers, because depending on how big it is, it could still keep going. That's the scary thing about this. This thing could still keep going. We're having massive volume as well. 170 million volume during the day and about 11 million volume after hours. So, it's not just a couple shares being bought after hours. This is 11 million shares after hours. And this is just crazy volume. It's going to be another gamma squeeze as well. If we go back and look at the Robinhood, we look at the option chain. I don't think there's an option that goes above 250. I don't even think there's one that goes above 200, to be honest with you. And that is called a gamma squeeze as well, an infinite gamma squeeze, where literally every single option is now in the money. Like every single GameStop option is in the money now. And when these exercises, just more and more shares just being bought from GameStop. So 200 strike price for this week. If we go out to like April, I wonder if they have any pass. 230. So again, even if we go all the way out to, let's say next year, what's the highest? 200. So again, we're in a gamma squeeze right now, infinite gamma, where every single option is in the money, deep in the money as well. I mean, we're talking, this is 20% in the money already. Like, that's just crazy. And, you know, there's no signs of stopping this. We're seeing this with other companies being squeezed the living crap out of as well. Companies like BlackBerry, which doesn't even have a decent short interest in it. And then we also have Bed Bath & Beyond. That's another one that's been being squeezed as well recently. Stock rallied another, look at this, man, another 35%. And I believe AMC is another big one as well that is being squeezed hard. Yeah, man, it's the same ones. It's the same thing, same trend as well. After hours just going straight up. This is obviously not sustainable. It's not going to continue. But it's about when you time the short position, because eventually it will crash. I mean, obviously, you know, there's no reason. Everyone knows that GameStop is not valued at $20 billion. You know, AMC is not going anywhere. BlackBerry is actually pretty solid. But, you know, this is going to end eventually. And it's about when it does, how you can profit from it. I'm going to wait, man. I don't have enough buying power to even short. Luckily, this week, a lot of free margin clears up. So a lot of buying power will free up with all these collaterals. That's like 5,000 worth of collateral right there. A little bit more, actually. So, you know, if I see GameStop at $300 a share, I'll drop 5K into a put on it, honestly. Maybe I haven't learned my lesson, but that's just the way it is. But that's really about it for now. I mean, GameStop it's changing the game, and shorts are losing so much. I think Melvin Capital alone today dropped another 25%. Like, these are giant billion-dollar hedge funds. I'm pretty sure we saw Melvin Capital get bailed out yesterday because they literally needed the funds. Like, that is just incredible that it continues to happen. Yeah, $2.75 billion invested into Melvin Capital, and, you know, this is what happens. It's crazy. You know, these shorts are just losing billions and billions of dollars every single day. Obviously, I don't know how sustainable this is, but I mean, GameStop is just going to continue to fly until something slows down, and I don't know when it'll slow down. But it's all of these stocks. Like I said, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, BlackBerry, AMC, all these stocks up another like 35% after hours. They're all following the same trend. It's Wall Street Bets just running in there and putting all their money into this thing. And some of them are going to make a fortune. Deep effing value, he's made a fortune on this. He's up like $30 million on this position. But some people are going to be caught buying at the top, and they're going to lose a ton. So it's about how you play it, because if you play it right, you know, even if you freaking bought after hours today, like before the close, you're up 58% already. You know, like, that's crazy. So if you time these things right, you can make a fortune. I'm going to sit on the sidelines. Honestly, I'm just going to continue to grow my account slowly. I don't think I have the nerves to continue to go in and do all this stuff, especially with, you know, my Amazon. I sold a covered call on Amazon and would take a little bit of a loss on that because Amazon's up another 1% after hours. So this call is going to be down about 7K tomorrow. But at least our Leaps call will be up a lot. But we're basically just capping our profits, which kind of sucks. But our Leaps call we bought on Visa is doing very well as well. We're up like a couple $100 on that. But I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy the amount of money out there to be made, and, you know, people are taking advantage of this and people are making good money. So congrats to all you longs, and if you guys enjoyed this video, just like and subscribe, do that favor for me. But yeah, this is truly one of the most extraordinary stories I've ever seen in my entire life, and congrats to the guys that took risks. You know, we took risks to live like this, and that's just the way it is. So congrats, guys. We're not salty at all. 2 thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video. Take it easy, Wonders.